Ndebe anyị bịakwanụ nụrụ nke na-eme na Ngọkpaala n'Imo steeti na ndị Ngọkpaala na-ebe akwa wee na-eti mkpu wee na-asị na gọvanọ na-achịfa bụ Hope Uzodimma na nwaanyị unu na-afụ ebe a na-agba Adachi na nwaanyị a bụ ada nne Hope Uzodimma fa na ọ na-eje ụka Evangelist Ebuka Obi na ọ na-agba oje na vileji nakọta ndị nọ na vileji anafa n'ike fee were enye Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Hei, unu ya abịakwa ka unu gere na-echekwa nnaka kịta na Evangelist Ebuka Obi a ka achọgo ka o yesi wee jee setụrụsi okwu niile mara ife ndị a na-ebele akwa ma a na-akwụrụfa ụgwọ a na ka ọ na-akwụghọfa bife wee were nyaba na nye nyaba Evangelist Ebuka Obi na ndị a na-ebe a wee na-ekwuo na ife niile fa kọrọ n'ubi ife akabeghị aka ma akpụ ma ji ma ede ma gwogwotigwo na-eji moto wee bịa mebisichaa ya. Amakwanụ m ife anyị akpọ nke ọkwọ nke nnụtị ka m wetara unu ịnenacha onwe ife inwe biko itile anyị ebumnobi na kọmentị afụ na okwu m ụdị nke anụnwa.
Adaji Hope Uzodimma sister is collecting all our lands. Hope Uzodimma and the Ebuka Obi collecting everywhere that belongs to a community. For century, for 8 years of Hope Uzodimma, we never experienced any development in our community rather than collecting lands. Collecting lands. Look at cassava. Look at cassava planted by women. Hope Uzodimma and Adaji, his sister, have their mind to come and kill cassava. What are they going to beat here now? That they could not allow women. They could not allow women to uproot their cassava. Look at the women. Look at them. Look at them crying. Look at them crying over their farmland. Look at them crying. Adaji Hope Uzodimma sister collecting all the whole lands, giving to Ebuka Obi and the Hope Uzodimma. See women, see cassava. Hope Uzodimma and Adaji have the mind to bring bulldozer to bulldozer cassava. Cassava. Women suffer to plant. Look at this. See women. See women crying. See women cry over their land. Laying curses on them. Laying curses on Hope Uzodimma and Adaji. Adaji Hope Uzodimma sister collecting people's land. Collecting our community land. For 8 years of Hope Uzodimma have never given us light, no water, no facility, no government presence in our community. Only to collect our land. Give to Ebuka Obi, give to Adaji. See Adaji now have the right to bring bulldozer. See cassava. See cassava. See cassava. They never put it. Adaji has the mind to bring bulldozer to bulldozer cassava. See cassava. See women with the cassava. Bulldozer carry the cassava. See it. Lay jabu. This is jabu cassava. See jabu. Women suffer to plant. See women. See women run on the ground. Look at women run on the ground. Adaji, Hope Uzodimma sister. See Hope Uzodimma sister. Hope Uzodimma sister. Collecting people's land. You want to come and build filling station. You want to come and build a state. Opposite Ebuka Obi estate. Women, they never see Hope Uzodimma presence as a governor for 8 good years. Hope will never do anything for them to come and bulldozer their farm. Look at this. See cassava. See cassava. They suffer and cultivate. See. See what is happening in a country we belong to, a state we belong to. See cassava, see women suffer and cultivate cassava. Look at, they cannot even give them a month notice. If this man belongs to government, let government bring the accusation paper. Let them, the essence of this community is not even aware. Even our brother, could not even notify his essay. See what is happening in their community. Look at, see women crying. See cassava. They uproot everywhere. ala agbakpọ ụmụ nwaanyị ewere budoza kwa n'ime ọrụ ụmụ nwaanyị na-ebe akwa gọvanọ na-arọgbu na ọ dị mma Adachi na-arọgbu nwanne nwoke bụ gọvanọ. One day we must die. Everybody must die in this country, in this world. They must die. All of us must face off and face God. See what I'm doing. See cassava. Adachi has the mind to bring bulldozer to bulldozer people's farm. Because of they're enjoying people's money. She's enjoying people's money. Don't die, don't die. No, madam, it's okay. He will not die, he will not die. God must only see you through. See people's farm. See women's farm. Look at the one. Look at it. Madam, he will not die. He will not die. Look at women's farm. No pity, no sympathy. See. See it. It goes. Look at this woman suffered and cultivated this farm. Look at. Let's go.